I got Nintendo 3DS XL and is not accepted SD card, as you can see. In this video I will try to replace the SD card reader. If this is the first time you watch me, I do video games. Don't forget to give me like to this video. Just be careful, they have two ribbon cables. First one here, the second one is here. So I need to change this SD reader. Just be careful when you work on this side. They have a lot of small components. And to who to ask me what type of microscope I use this excellent microscope. It's from Joy Lens. And this is the old SD card. I take this card from donor board. I hope it's working. As you can see, the pin is connected perfectly. Let's return all the parts back and test. Let's insert the SD card, and yes, it's fixed. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, please leave a comment.